How to solve 5 power v plus 25 power v is equal to 125 power v. Find the value of v. So at first we divided by 5 power v in both sides. So divided by 5 power v divided by 5 power v divided by 5 power v. So this 5 power v, this 5 power v will be cancelled. So here 1 plus a v same power but different way, so it will be 25 of 5 bracket common power is v is equal to again v same power but different way, so it will be 125 of 5 bracket common power is v. In the next step we have 1 plus 25 divided by 5, that means 5 power is v is equal to 125 divided by 5, that means 25 power is v. In the next step 25 power v is equal to 1 plus 5 power v. Now 25 power v is same as 5 power 2 bracket power v. Then this plus 5 power v take to the left side, so this will be minus 5 power v, and also this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn, m times n, that means mn. So it will be 5 power of 2 times v, that means 2v, then minus 5 power v minus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step 5 power 2v is same as 5 power v bracket power 2 minus 5 power v minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let 5 power v is substituted by y. So this equation will be y power 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1, then c will be equal to minus 1. Now y is equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1 divided by 2 times a, that means 1. In the next step y is equal to positive 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. In the next step y is equal to 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or y is equal to 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now remember that y, that means 5 power v. So y, that means 5 power v is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 of 2, or why that means 5 power v is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power v, imagine that any number, so 5 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 5 power v is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 of 2. Now this power v will move to the base, so it will be v log 5 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 of 2. Now we need the value of v, so we divided by log 5 in both sides, divided by log 5. This log 5 will be cancelled, so here v is equal to this divided by log 5, so we apply this formula, log a divided by log b, then is equal to log a base b. So this divided by log 5, so it will be log of this 1 plus square root of 5 of 2 base of 5. So this is the value of v, so this is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.